Good morning, it's Jilly Cube, and I'm here with trying to save grace on this canvas. I I didn't actually scrape the paint off. As you can see, I just put my spatula over it, so retaining all the previous pours paint on my canvas, and then decided to just go for it in the old style. I'm saying old style. It was a style that I very first did my YouTube videos, is this kind of wiggles pour and swiped, and got some amazing results. So I'm literally going back in my time back to what I started doing, this kind of wiggles pour, and see what we end up with. So I hope that you enjoy it. It was just layering these leftover colours that I had left. So as you can see, I've got that fluoro pink, I've got a cool blue, and I think I had a purple in there too, cool red. And I'm just literally using up some leftover paints. And like I say, the canvas was the whole canvas is too nice. It's a 60 by 90 gallery wrap canvas, but I didn't like the previous pour, so hence I'm going old style on it. So I'll let you have a look at what I'm doing and then jump in where I feel I need to. Just tilting it gently so all of the paints run right over the edges, so you get that nice effect completely over all of the sides of this nice thick-edged canvas, and just do it nice and slow, so and enjoy the process, because that's what this is really all about. So now I'm getting my swipe colour ready to do my Aussie slide or Aussie swipe, because I'm using Australian Floetrol in that black paint. So hopefully it's going to ignite and the cell action in this particular pour, and because I've got so many absolutely gorgeous juicy colours there, it's really going to make them pop. So this is a really nice part to do, I guess, because I think this is, like I said, I've got a video 3 years ago where I was doing this same style, and it's obviously what got me hooked of the fantastic effects you could get. So just watch the magic happen. Currently getting I decided to give the butane torch a whirl. I don't recommend using a butane torch. Stick with your heat wand, it's far safer. But because I haven't used it very often, I thought, oh, I'll give this a go. Not that I really needed to, because just look at the cells. They're super gorgeous, super juicy cells. I'll give you a close-up in a minute of this gorgeous reaction in there, and it just makes me realise why I ever started this pause, because these were what excited me. Boy oh boy, this crazy canvas or paint has given me some headaches, and then I just went rogue on it, and look, it's took me back to the old days of my kind of super cells, super colourful, crispy cells. It's quite stunning, it really is. Look at that. Look at all the super gems that have come up in it. So much photo opportunity in this for parts of it as well to become screensavers or material prints. For sure, just take a really nice high definition photo and send them to one of the print companies for printing on fabric, wallpaper, bags, clothing, pillowcases. Look at the photo opportunities there. Wow, wow, wow. Super duper. That looks like some shining light coming through. Dragon scales of the most fantasy and whimsical kind. Wow, wow, wow. Super gorgeous. So I am just going to do, I mean, it is like, isn't it, golden or purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. So I might do some starbursts like the old fireworks at the top. Just push on for a few more minutes. Hope that I don't ruin it. But be positive, Jilly. Pinch yourself, be positive. Oops, forgot my light. Radio. So purple rain. I'm just thinking that maybe I should try. Let's just see at the top. Maybe just at the top. If I can do. Ooh. No, I think it'll look better with the balloon. Just tried it. I thought the chain pulls probably would look lovely. It'll pull some more of that colour through, but I just think I'll stick with the balloon work at the very top, so it kind of looks like fireworks going off in this purple rain. Craziness. I think I need to let them kind of dry off a little and then go back in the center again with my small balloon. But I think I will just leave it at that. Like I said, the only thing I think my small balloon's got a leak. It's feeling a bit wet, so if it does, it's usually not good, because then maybe it's because I wiped it with my wet cloth, maybe. Yeah, because then it sort of dilutes your paint down when you go to dip in it. Let's see. I think it's definitely sometimes better if you walk away and come back even half an hour later to balloon kiss, because then the paint doesn't fall back in. But that's quite gorgeous. What do you guys think? I mean, you know, somebody would be very happy with that, I'm sure, as a gift, even if you didn't sell it and you gave it as a gift. That is definitely like the old style that I started with. Funny how you go back in time. Right, that's about it. I'm going to end that. You'll see some photos at the end. My purple rain. It looks very pretty, and I think I'm going to gift this to somebody that I know loves those colours. So my lovelies, please take care. Wishing you all well. Go and do something that gives you joy. Definitely. Alrighty, bye for now.